Hey guys, how we doing? Welcome to Trade Confident. So this video, I'm going to take slow. I'm going to take this video very slow. I'm going to talk to you guys about some options of how to manage a trade that is going against you, okay? So we have some good things to talk about on this chart here, but then I'm just going to give you guys a full overview of what I think and how you guys can manage this. I know there's hardly anybody in here out of the 14,000, I think we're at 14,700 followers. We have less than half of 1% of people in here. I literally have 4 people that are in this trade out of all 14,000 here, but that's enough. And so, you know what? Jesus left the whole herd for one, so we're gonna keep managing this, and I'll keep talking to you guys about this. For everybody else, here's what I want you guys to do. I want you to come over here. If you guys are not in the short trade, okay, great. Come over here and get your long trade set up. I think this is the best situation for you guys right now. If you're not in this trade, is to get over and get the long trade set up for all of your metrics. So this does require membership. It's $49 a month. You guys can come over here. I will be going over the metrics today for Ethereum, but the next best trade, which I personally have set up in my exchange right now for Coinbase, is going to be the long trade for Ethereum. Now, guys, let me just say a couple quick things here. You will not see me taking any short trades. If you guys want to trade exactly how I've been trading, I haven't lost a trade on this channel yet. We've been doing very well. I never take short trades and I never use leverage. So I just want to put that out there, okay? The reason why I put this on here for a short trade was I had people over email saying, hey, Travis, can you show us what it looks like to take a short trade with the metrics? And so I put this on here. So the reason for that is that I'm managing it for those people. Again, for the 4 people who are in this trade, let me give you guys my perspective on this. And then I'll also talk to you guys about where I think Ethereum is going to go, which will be relative to everybody. Okay, let's take a look at this. If you guys don't have this on your chart yet, make sure you guys do put this on here. The price versus the well money flow. Money flow is moving out of the market here, as we can see. So the green line here is well money flow on the exchange. This does pull an on-chain metric here, looking at actual volume flow. Volume flow moving out while the price structure is moving up. This is a form of divergence to the downside. This is a bearish sign usually for coins, okay? We also see that if this starts moving down here, this is a form of divergence as well on the trend exhaustion. Not only that, but we are obviously pushing the top red section up here, which should be pushing us down again as well. On top of that, we also have the psychological level of $4,000 sitting right here. We're like flirting with this $4,000 level. Now come over here on the daily time frame and I'll show you guys this. The trend exhaustion is literally at the top for the metric here. So this is also showing me that we could be seeing a move back down. On top of that, just reading this, not getting emotional about this, but this money flow right here is curving to the downside. If you guys see this right here, it's curving just a little bit. I think even over probably by the end of Friday today, coming into Saturday and Sunday, we're going to see this curve down. That's divergence. That's a huge form of divergence to the downside while we have a high and another high over here. So I can point out where there's about 4, arguably even 5 or 6 going over the metrics, reasons of why this is going to possibly head down here very soon. But there is a chance always that coins can keep heading up. So I want to go over the metrics and I want to talk to you guys about how you can exit this and just give you guys some options, okay? Just want to be very transparent on this. I don't care if I have to break a winning streak of, we've won every trade on this channel. I'd rather get you guys out and give you some good risk management here than, have this ego of we never lost a trade. I want to help you guys here. So please watch this whole video if you're in this, okay? 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, these metrics updated. So this is actually after. The reason why I did this video is because I want to give you guys really good analysis on this for those of you guys who are in this trade. So I wanted to make sure the metrics updated. So these are actually live right now as of 8 a.m. This is only like 27 minutes old. We are pushing up into the greedy section for Ethereum. Now, what we need to do here is look into the past at what's happened. Last time we got up here, we did see a drop in Ethereum. Now, that drop in here was this drop on the market. Let's take a percentage here. So the percent drop here on this from the top to the bottom here was about 10%. Okay, let's just keep that in mind with me as we go through here, 10%. We also saw the previous time before that was actually when we hit the all-time high for Ethereum, and then we saw the biggest crash ever in Ethereum. Okay, you guys follow me here? Like there are a lot of signs pointing that this thing is overextended and we can see a move back down. Take a look at this. Short trades are increasing drastically here while long trades are basically the same. Okay, long trades are very slowly increasing, but we see short trades increasing. What does this tell me? This means that a lot of institutions, a lot of people are already placing short trades in the market expecting this to go back down. Now, the reason why I believe this shot up so strongly here was because of this. You had an incredible amount of short trades entered into the market here, but those short trades have, let's say you have a lot of people entering their short trades right around this area when it started moving back down. Their stop losses were right here. Okay, for the short trades. When those get hit, they're in the negative or they've closed their trade and they see it pumping up, and then so they buy back in to cover their loss, and that's why this price moves up very fast. So I'm watching that. But again, what we see here is short trades are moving into the market, so this is a bearish sign. There's like 5, 6 plus bearish signs in the market here. Okay, follow me down here. This is a ridiculous metric here. I coded this metric, so if we ever got into times where it was just ridiculous, it would move out of the parameters here. And this is obviously pushed on top of the great short trade territory, okay? So this is another reason why I do believe we could see this move back down. Not only that, we are also close to the all-time high for Ethereum, which is right around that $44,000 mark, which is 43,060, right around that area. That's another reason why we could be moving back down pretty soon. Let's move down here a little bit more. I'll show you this to you guys. Metric bars on the downside are showing that Ethereum is far overextended and smart money is looking to move on the downside. We saw this accumulate before down here, and we did see a move down. Again, I'm just going straight over metrics, guys, so you guys can make a really good decision. We saw a move down last time we saw that. We did see a lot of this accumulation in the market when this started moving up here for short trades, and this has been a far overextension here. You can even see whales that end up selling positions off in here on other metrics that they're still holding in here. But take a look at what happened over here. When this accumulated to the downside, this ended up starting to move back down. A lot of people are seeing this and they're like, this thing is unsustainable. It's very unexpected for a coin to do that like this and just keep moving up and keep moving up. Just follow me here. I'll continue this. We don't even have a resistance on the chart yet because it is such an impulse, emotional move that we're seeing right now. People are just jumping on this. But this could be a place where everyone who's gone long here could just totally lose their shorts on this, and this could come down very strongly, and you guys could be in profit very soon, okay? Follow me here because I'm going to update the entry for a second. If you're taking a look at this dollar cost average entries, those of you guys who are holding, you have nothing to do with this trade, you're doing fantastic. Great job. So this is also another reason why I'm looking to possibly see that we could see a move down here. Last time we ended up accumulating this type was when we saw this move back up. Now, this indicator is to help us call exits on long trades. Again, guys, I want to be careful how I say this. I'm not apologizing for putting the short trade on the chart because it's on the chart and I'm going to completely own up to that. But I do not take any long trades. And I honestly, if I retroactively go back and look at this, I should have not placed the short trade on the chart. Okay, because I personally am not in it, and I don't believe that short trades are the best. Long trades will always have more favor in crypto because we have a 0 point. I can always spread out our buy limits to keep you guys and myself safe all the way down to 0, but technically in a short trade, there's no bottom. 0 is the lowest any coin can go. Short trades, there's no low to it. So that is the reason why you have never seen me ever take a short trade. That's not to try to say anything against this. I just want to point that out so you guys know that if you're in this short trade and you're like, man, I don't know if I should take short trades in the future, guys, you will never see me take a short trade. It is far more riskier to take a short trade than a long trade because we have the 0 point, which makes sure that the coin will never move down past that. Also, when coins move down on long trades, the rubber band effect takes place a lot faster than shorting does, and that gets you back into profit quicker. Okay, just want to make that point there. Take a look at this. We are pushing into this red territory where we're seeing consistent bars now. This is far, far overextended. So let me give you guys an update here of what I'm looking at for the 4 people who are in this that I currently know of that you guys messaged me from the last video. You're currently down 30.76%, but you need to actually come in here because the 4th buy limit was hit. You were actually only down about 21.29. So I mentioned in the last video, it's actually good if this goes against us and this ends up hitting this because you guys just saved yourself 10% on the loss. So you've gained back 10% just by using our risk management strategy. That's why you guys need to follow this, okay? For this move right now, here are some options that you have, okay? You can, if you would like right now, exit 100% of your short trade so you are out of the market. Please listen to all these options. It's going to be a longer video, but I want to give you everything. If you exit 100% right now, you have no more further risk of this going up and losing any more money. You're just completely out. Call it a loss of 21.29%. What you can do is immediately enter back into our long trade and get ready to ride that back up. Now, we've taken a lot of long trades, the XRP, and I understand this is the first buy limit to the fourth, so give me grace on that. But XRP is up 11% here. We just took a long trade of 26% on Link. That's doing great. That's 26%. ADA is currently up 20.62%. Like, you guys are going to make this back very fast. That's my personal opinion on this. You guys are going to make it back fast, even if you want to exit 100% right now, okay? Another option. Okay, first option is exiting. Great, get back into the long trade and you guys can ride up the next trade with us and start making your money back. Awesome. That's scenario one. Scenario two is you can look to exit 50% out of your short trade right now. This will drastically mitigate your losses on here, and this can help you guys basically stop the bleeding, if you will, so it doesn't head up any further. Now, the metrics are showing us, guys, from historical data, they are about 75 to 80% right. I've never changed that statistics. They're about 75 to 80% correct. That I do believe there is a 75 to 80% chance that this thing is going to move back down. This is where you guys need to use your personal discretion on this trade. You can exit 50%. The third scenario option is you can exit 25%. So I do believe that it is smart today to look to exit some just in case this moves back up even further and tries to break the all-time high and then goes to a blue sky breakout. That is a possibility, okay? The last scenario, the fourth one, I know there's a lot on here, is you guys technically can hold your whole position and wait for this to come back to break-even entry, which is down at 3,269. You can exit or just simply wait until you're in the profit a little bit and you can take the profit. And awesome, you guys will win that trade, okay? I do think there is a strong possibility that Ethereum will head back down over the weekend because simply I'm going to stay accurate to what the metrics are calling here, and they are clearly showing more bearish signs than they are bullish signs, okay? Let me say that again. It is clearly showing more bearish signs than bullish signs for Ethereum. This is emotional. This is absolutely emotional pumps in the market. These do not last. You will see a correction in Ethereum. We all know that. It's just a matter of taking this trade and managing it the best. So my official call, guys, is I need to leave this one up to you guys. If I was in this trade, I would be looking to exit something, at least 25 to 50% of an exit here, just so you guys can stop losing any more on this trade. If you don't like that thought, that's okay. And I would just hold this in here because I do think we're going to start moving down. If you guys start seeing this price move down over the weekend here and it starts moving down, because I'm not going to cover this on Saturday or Sunday because we take Saturday and Sunday off, but Monday I will be covering this. If this starts moving down, guys, like, you're going to be gaining back on your position every time this starts moving down. So if this starts getting a structured low here, you're only down 14%. If it moves down to here, you're down 6%. Like, get into the long trade and you're going to make that back up in probably like 7 to 10 days. Okay. So this isn't like you're losing 80% of your money or like, 50% of all your money is gone. I really do believe you guys can make this up fast, even if you choose to exit 100% right now. I really do believe that. Like, we've taken, this is trade number 31, and this is trade number 32. We've won 30 trades called on this channel, long and short. This would be the only loss we've taken. So I point that out to say I really do believe you guys can make this back very fast. If you just want to be like, okay, you know what, for the weekend, I'm just going to sell. Right now, I want to keep my thoughts clear, and I want to just get back into the long trade. You guys can do that. But hear me out here. It's not financial advice. I do believe there could be a strong move back down in here. So I need you guys to choose what you personally believe is best. I can't be a financial advisor on this. My best thing for you guys is to look to maybe exit just some here so you stop the bleeding. But overall, I would expect Ethereum to head back down. Those of you who are in this short trade, I will be on email tonight, probably around like even a little later to like 5 or 6 o'clock, probably around 5 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. Email me if you have questions during the day on this because I won't be able to do that over the weekend, but I'll get back to you guys on Monday morning. So sorry this is a longer video. I just want to give you guys a full update on this and give you my perspective on it. And let me know if you guys have any questions. I'm sorry I'm not able to answer all the questions in the comments. There's so much spam going on all of YouTube right now that it's so hard to tell who's an actual real person and who's not. Email me. This is for all of you guys. Email me at btradeconfident@gmail.com and I will get back to you guys ASAP. That's how I communicate with you guys. And I will try to respond to a few comments in the description if I can find out who's real and who's not a bot. Anyways, there you guys go. God bless you so much. That's the full update. Let me know if you guys have any questions by emailing me, and I'll keep you guys updated. Good job on everybody who is in the ADA trade. You guys are doing fantastic. I'm not exiting anything over the weekend. Basically, I'm just letting this ride, and I'll let you guys know what I'm doing on Monday. You guys all just won the Dogecoin trade. You guys all just won the XRP trade, which is even heading up more. So congratulations. You're making even more on XRP right now. You're currently up, 13%. Link, congratulations for everybody who took this trade out. That's a guaranteed win. You're up about 27% right now. So great job for you guys following this. Long trades are going to be the ones that you want to take, and I'll keep you guys updated. Congrats, guys, for all the trades you're winning, and let me know if you have any questions. See you guys. Bye-bye.